We met at a hospital, much like any other, except this was a children's only one. I was sewn together, plain as all the other dolls, and I was then placed on a cart. One by one all the other dolls were chosen, all but me. Finally, at the end of the day, I was the last one on the cart. I was taken to a room with a little girl who had a patch on her ear. She picked me up and she drew a face on me. Then I finally saw her. The little girl was in much pain, yet she smiled at me and held on to me as tight as she could. After hours of doctors and screaming in that room, I and the little girl got in a car and were driven away to a plane where we went to my new home. Over the years I have seen much. I have seen my little girl lose loved ones. I have seen her cry. I have seen her in love, and I have seen her heart break. And I have seen her grow. Yet one thing remains. She is mine and I am hers. And though I am too fragile to handle roughly now, she still embraces me with love. Though I now sit in a hat box to keep me safe, I miss her. I miss her hugs and her voice, but mostly I miss being there for her, to keep her safe, to keep her happy, and to keep her smiling. And no matter how long I have to wait in my hat box, no matter how many years I will miss watching her, no matter how many memories of me will fade, the one thing that will stay is my love for her, and I will always be waiting for an embrace once more from my little girl.